Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to verify your new Binance account on Binance Web or Binance Desktop app. If you are watching this video, you are very lucky because you have joined millions and millions of people making money around the world. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very useful and helpful to you in any way, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel faster. Hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new video. Now, let's dive in. Before we move on to the practical aspect of how to verify our new Binance account, I would like us to take us through some explanation about the identity verification on Binance. You can complete your identity verification on Binance account to unlock the fiat deposit and withdrawal limit. What this one is saying is that we can, by the time we finish our identity verification of our new account, the fiat deposit limit and withdrawal limit will be increased. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete, which includes verifying our basic account information and providing ID documents, that is ID documentation and uploading of a selfie portrait. We are going to be doing 3 basic things to verify your account. You verify your basic information, you provide an ID, then you upload a portrait selfie of yourself. The verification phase, known as KYC, know your customer, is the most crucial stage in Binance registration. You can't transact or exchange currency on Binance exchange without completing the KYC phase. Note, and this is very, very important. When you are getting, or when you get to the ID verification stage, please, it is better for you to pick an ID option with a serial number rather than an ID that will require you to scan the front or the back. What this one is saying that we have some ID that what you need to do when you are using them for verification is just to type in the serial number. You type in the serial number. For instance, ID like a driver's license or passport typically requires scanning, sometimes making verification slow. But number input verification options like your NIM, BVN, SSN are faster since Binance automatically verifies the digit. Beside the face recognition issue, people get rejected for common mistakes like if you are providing a wrong personal information during your KYC, you may get rejected or you may not pass your KYC. So having got you to know this, that the basic things in our KYC is to input our information correctly, choose an ID that has a serial number that we can use so that the verification can be faster. Then 2, upload a very good selfie, a portrait selfie of ourselves. So now let's continue. Now, to do your verification, after opening your new account, click the link in the description below. It will bring you to this page. Now, when you get to this page, now what you do is click on Verify Now. Click on Verify Now. Click on Verify Now. Wait for it to open or to load. You can see, so it's showing me my country, that what I need is personal information, government issue ID, face recognition, then review time is 2 days. So what I need to do, I'll click on Continue. So here, I have to put my correct name as they appear on the document that I want to use to verify. As they appear on the document that I want to use to verify. So let me just say Then here I put my birthday. Sorry, I've not used. Let me just use it now. This are my information. This is the way you are going to input your information. Then you click on continue. So here you are going to provide your address, the postal code, your city, provide your city, then you continue. Now this is where you choose your government ID. You can see by default, Binance is showing you BVN, NIN. If you are a Nigerian, you can click on other document to see. You have your ID card, your international passport, your driving license. But if you are going to go by the advice given that you should use an ID, government issue ID that has a serial number, like this BVN has a serial number, this NIN has a serial number, and if you're an American and other European countries, your social security number also, you can use it. So you fill this and you continue. You fill this and you continue, click your continue, then you now go to a place, to the last step of the verification where you are going to upload your survey. So here, so when you get to the uploading of selfie, you need to avoid wearing a mask or glass or hat. Also, you need to avoid applying a camera filter at this stage. Don't use any filter on your camera, and make sure you are in an environment that is light enabled. That is that your environment is light enabled. Now, when you get to that stage, after you have considered all these things, not wearing hat, not wearing glass, not applying camera filter rather, and make sure the environment is light enabled. Now you follow the on-screen instruction carefully for high success rate. Binance is going to be telling you what to do, the way you are going to snap, whether you are going to smile, or you need to shift your head to the right or right. So before they take the survey, and Binance will automatically display a screen success once your face verification is successful. So after we've inputted our information, address and our other information, now you have chosen the identity verification that I want to use, the ID card I want to use. Now you have uploaded it yourself. So Binance will tell you that the selfie is successful. Now you need to wait at least it's not up to 2 days. Binance will accept. Binance will get back to you whether you pass the verification process or you fail. But if you have followed along in this video the way we discuss it, you can't. I don't think there will be any cause for failing the verification. Thank you. If you are watching the video up to this stage, thank you very much. And if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, share the video with your friend, and comment on the comment section of the video. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will personally and gladly answer you. So the link to do your identity verification is in the description. I'll put it in the description below. So please, after watching the video, just click on the link and go and verify your new account. Thank you very much.